Well, hello, my students. Monday morning, last full week of school. Next Friday's exams. You only see me 9 more times. Oh, I'm getting a little tear in my eye. Aldo, you and the rest of the bunch have been wonderful. Anyways, what I want you to do is actually stop the video, do this problem, and then turn it back on. And watch. Okay, so absolute value, how do you solve it? Hey, you break it up into 2 parts. So you got 2x minus 6 is greater than 20. The opposite is greater than 20. Now remember, greater is or. So now I'm going to solve this one. You always do the reverse, or the well, I hate to say the opposite, but the reverse. So I'm subtracting 6, so I add 6. So 2x is greater than 26. Divide by do-si-do. This one, take the opposite. So I'm going to subtract 6. So negative 2x is greater than 14. Divide by negative 2. X is less than negative 7. So, some of you need to draw the, well, what the heck is that? There's like a dark thing there. Ooh, that's the hand of Santa Claus. So, here's a greater than 13. Here's less than negative 7. Now, since it's an or, it's wherever there's shading. So bring down the greater than 13. Bring down the less than negative 7. That's it. Now the next one. 1/2 x minus 4. Remember, when you're solving an absolute value, you break it up into 2 parts. So just write it without the absolute value. Then take the opposite. Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. So less than is and. So add 4. So 1/2 x is less than or equal to 12. Multiply both sides by 2. Now this one a lot of people get wrong. Half of what is 12? So this is getting smaller to get to 12. So you multiply both sides by 2. So x is less than or equal to 24. Distribute the one negative. So a negative times a negative is a positive. Oh, we're doing wonderful. Subtract 4. So negative 1/2 x is less than or equal to 4. Multiply both sides by negative 2, the reciprocal. Ooh, I'm about out of breath, I'll be honest. I don't know why. It's because my bowling team did wonderful. So, I multiplied by negative, so I switched the inequality. Good. Now, here's the 3 graphs. Hey, Santa. So, here's less than 24. Now, it's got equals under it, so it's a solid dot. Here's greater than negative 8. Now, and is where it's on both, where it overlaps. Well, if you notice they're on both here, it overlaps here. So the answer is between negative 8 and 24. Now this one, okay, you go ahead and do it, then I'll do it. Okay, so let's see, absolute value, you got to break it up into 2 pieces. Take the opposite. Now I got to connect it with the word greater. It's going away from the middle, and that's always your or. So I'm going to subtract 3. Then take the opposite of both sides, but whenever you take the opposite of both sides, you switch the inequality. So this is negative 3 plus x is greater than or equal to 6. So always do the reverse or opposite. I don't know if that's an appropriate word, but I'm going to use it. So let's see. I like to do all the graphs. So here's less than negative 3, solid dot. Here is greater than or equal to 9. Yeah, it's greater than or equal to 9. Thought I messed that up, but I didn't. Oh, I didn't mess it up. Didn't mess it up. So, the final graph, if it's an OR, it's wherever there's shading. So bring it on down. Bring it on down. Now, I only wanted to do a couple to get you going. You're going to be working in groups in a minute. Might want to watch this a couple times. So, Santa, see you soon, Santa. See, there's Santa right there, his little hand. But have a good day, and we'll go from there.